Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Gonna read through the full article here. It is a developing situation, so there will be more details coming through over the course of the next few hours, the next day or two, I should imagine. There's a link in the description should you wish to go through that more closely. A Colorado police officer has been arrested on multiple serious charges, but the community remains in the dark about the precise nature of the allegations. On Friday, Colorado Springs patrol officer Shane Reed was arrested on suspicion of kidnapping, child abuse, menacing, and harassment. So, some very, very serious claims, charges made against this Colorado Springs patrol officer. The Colorado Springs Police Department issued a news release about the arrest that states authorities were conducting an investigation earlier this month when allegations of criminal activity involving Shane Reed arose. Police obtained a warrant to conduct a separate investigation into the allegations, and they found probable cause to arrest the officer, Shane Reed, who has been booked into the El Paso County Jail. So an arrest warrant includes the following. I'll just skim through this. Second-degree kidnapping, child abuse, threats, physical action, fear of SBI, I'm not sure what that is, harassment, shoving, kicking. So these are class 3 misdemeanors and class 4 felony, and a class 1 misdemeanor, the child abuse. Shane Reed has been employed by the department since 2018, and he worked at the Stetson Hills Division. The Colorado Springs Police Department values the trust placed in our organization by the community, and we are committed to holding officers accountable who violate that trust, said the interim police chief. So there we go. There's the full article. Of course, the officer hasn't faced a court yet. He hasn't had a trial yet. However, I personally, this is speculation on my part, I personally have faith in the police. I believe that they typically, not always of course, but typically only arrest those and charge those, especially when there's multiple charges. They only arrest and charge people when they have sufficient evidence, when they are extremely confident that not only that the person is guilty of the charges, but that they'll be able to prove those charges in the court of law or in front of a magistrate or such. And I would think that rhetoric, that requirement for the police to have solid evidence would go doubly for police officers, fellow officers, their own, as it were. I would think that they would need to get things extremely accurate. They would need to collate very high quality evidence before they take any action against one of their own. So hopefully the investigation will continue. Hopefully this officer does face a trial should they feel that there's a need to, and hopefully justice is served. The most concerning, I'm going to say the most concerning charge has been that of child abuse, but also second-degree kidnapping. So we don't know any of the details of who the victims are, what actually occurred. We don't have any of those details. Perhaps we will find out. And if there is another article in regards to that, perhaps I'll provide an update. But for now, I'll leave things here. I'll wrap things up. If you do appreciate this type of topic, please do give me a little encouragement, a like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Have a look at some of the other videos that I have on the channel. I'm trying to pump out a lot of videos to give you those topics which may be of interest. Not all of them will be of interest to you. Some of them will. If any feedback is very well received. So again, I'll thank you for your time.